Hi, my name is Sanjay. I'm from HVAC Technical Academy. I'm going to show you today. We're going to talk about the heat strip today. Where's the heat strip? First of all, heat strip is always in air handler. Why the heat strip is go bad? It's might be loose wire or burning wire and bad thermoset and contact the board, and how we gonna change this heater strip and how we gonna check it. First we're gonna check there's a power on it, so we can clamp it. So if it's beeping, that means it's power on it. And then we're gonna check the continuity on the heat strip. So we're gonna put our meters and check all the continuity is there, so that if it's beeping, that means it's there. If it's not beeping, so heat strip is not good. So first what we're gonna do, before we change the new heat strip, we're gonna take a pictures for all the wires where is this connected, and we're gonna disconnect the screws and take all heat strip out. Now we're going to change the new heat strip, but before we change the new heat strip, we make sure that breaker is off, so there's no power, right? And then we're going to take the new heat strip and we're going to change it. We're going to make sure we're going to connect all the wire as were before. And all the screws should be mounted. That's how we change it. And thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.